Yamaha's philosophy is Kanno. So we want to really bring excitement, to bring a special feeling, a thrill that we know that is a stimulation for the people and makes people happy.
We already start to change how to work, so we can make our bike performance become better step by step.
This season can be for sure tough because we need to cover the gap, but I think we have all the potential to make it.
Now we have all the faces working in our team. We feel start to confident. Everyone feel excited to the new season.
Everything is working on the good way.
Yamaha is putting everything together to be back to the top.